Sir Ralph don't want a seatmate anymore.
Yes.
Sir Ralph was like, oh, no more seatmate with you because you guys always make laugh.
They are OA and OA.
Yeah, OA plus OA equals trendstress.
Transline.
Hey, she's racism.
Hey, the transline like the Shopee age. You don't know the transline. You're not Zamboanga. You have pussy but you don't know transline.
What's trendline? The vibrator?
Oh my god.
What was she saying?
I'm tired of you and your family.
Yeah.
They're playing music.
Oh.
Gang music. At the background, that's her.
You're not even seeing the outfit now you are.
Now
What are you doing?
Sinasabi, kakating labi, papapaero, lambas sa kwento, tila walang problema, puro lamang invento. Papapaero, papapaero, papapaero daw ako, di naman totoo. Hindi ako babaero. May nagsabi sa isa dyan. This song is for the person that is keep telling like that na.
Who's that? Name drop.
Is ano yung last name? Ay, okay, the first of the last name is L. The first name start letter S.
She's sweaty.
Guys, she's molesting.
That's harassment.
She consented. Guys, she's molesting.
We are molester in Bribak.
Guys, she molesting me. She molesting my toppings.
Like suka.
Yeah. You know, I planched my hair and then I tied it. Amazing.
Why did
You're so
you
smart.
tie it?
Wow, you should be
because it's
taqwa.
hot in the Philippines.
Make plancha and then you tie.
More fun in the Philippines.
I know, right? Even me, I make plancha.
I'm checking myself. Check yourself out. I became so brown, you know.
Yeah, I know. When I see you walk in the door, oh my God, who is that?
I'm a tourist. You know,
I thought you were from some Minamila. Oh my gosh, she's here. Okay, perfect.
Oh, we have the
Lahat nakakasum na, please.
Binuhat namin ang backdrop.
I
have my shirt.
Wait, let's make
You. Why are you like that?
what am I? I am
Why do you
person.
do like that?
Huh?
Why do you do like that?
Do what?
Like that. Like that. Like that. Why do you do like that?
Like what? Like this?
Yeah, like that.
Because I'm tomboy.
You are what?
Guys, I cannot really forget yesterday. The kid, she was like, ate tomboy ka? Hindi pa ba halata, bata?
Oh, the kid also called me auntie. You act dead.
Suganda! Tagtirula. Tomorrow is fasting. I haven't
Yeah,
ligo.
I cannot fast tomorrow yet.
You have?
I cannot, yeah, I have.
Sana all. I haven't ligo yet.
You dance.
I have 2 songs for 2 occasions.
Everyone, please. Hairpinner, please. Sino may hairpin?
Shoutout sa mga moms.
Stop! Recall ha! Gisingin ang body! Jump! Stretch kung pwede! Guys ha! Gisingin ang body! Warrior!
Okay, the vlog will continue later.
Yes, bye guys! Bye-bye guys! See you next part!
See you.